Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to authorize please try again later issue on your TikTok account in your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you are trying to log in your TikTok account on your Apple device but you are facing this issue and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply open your app store and then search for TikTok, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply set the date and time of your device. So guys, for that open settings and then scroll it below and go to general, and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to language and region, tap on region, and from here select your country or region correctly. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply deactivate the VPN if there is any connected VPN on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply tap on VPN and device management, and after this you have to simply turn off VPN if it is connected. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and the TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.